Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The Honorable, the lecturer of this subject, and my beloved friend. Let me introduce our groups. We are from group 5. And here's my friends. There are Ari Dwi Martiani, Alina Naila Aswanisa, and Julia Awaliatul Gunawaroh. In this opportunity, we will present our lesson plan. Without any further ado, Ari Dwi Martiani, please present the first part.
All right, thank you for Intan Nabila. I would like present about the lesson plan. The lesson plan, there's subject English and grade for grade 2 elementary school. And for time allocation, there is 20 minutes. And for material or topic, there is animals. All right, and then for learning objectives. Align with CEYL principle, Cameroon 2001, Winter 2017, Berster et al. 2002, Noonan 2011. All right, and for learning objectives, there are identify and name common animals, cat, dog, bird, fish, cow, etc. through visual and auditory input. Pronounce animals' names correctly with teachers, scaffolding, and peer support. And then classify animals based on where they live, land, water, air, using interactive tasks. And the last is respond to simple questions about animal orally to develop communicative competence. All right. And for the rational objective, focus on meaningful learning, oral communication, and contextualize vocabulary use suitable for young learner. Maybe there is for reference. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Ari Dwi Martiani, for the explanation. And then maybe I will continue for the next session. It is media, tools, and learning resource. Uh, the media will we use in this lesson plans are colorful flashcards or picture slides of animals, and then illustrated picture book or slideshow, and then song, like Old MacDonald Had a Farm, with actions and sounds effects. For the tools or materials, there are whiteboard and markers, a speaker or phone for song playback, animal puppets are soft toys for kinesthetic engagement. And then learning resources. We bought a resource from Let's Go English for Children, Oxford University Press, 2019. And YouTube, Old MacDonald Had a Farm, and teacher-made visual and interactive materials. The rationale, authentic, multimodal material support young learners' attention and multiple intelligence. It's from Tomlinson, 2012. So we use many material, and we had choose a very fun and interactive material like a song from a McDonald. So the learning activities will be more fun. And now let's move to the main activities, which is learning activity. The first one is introduction. The allocation is 5 minutes, and the learning activities are The first, teacher greets students and opens with a short routine, like say greeting, say salam, and then say greeting, and then lead the prayer to the students, and don't forget to check the attendance. The second is reviews previous topic using visual, for example, colors, or we reviews the last material that we had taught to the student. Next, shows the flashcards to elicit prior knowledge. We asked some questions like, what animal is this? It is from the start or beginning before we will next to the main activity. And the last is introduces the lesson goal. For example, today we will learn about animals. Next is the main activity. Time allocations is around 10 minutes. The first, students observe and repeat animal names after the teacher using clear pronunciation and gestures. Second, communication. Students ask and answer in pairs, like, what's this? It's a cat. The third, collaboration. Students work together to classify animals into land, water, or air groups. Fourth, creativity. Students sing Old MacDonald had a farm, imitating animal sounds and movements. So the main activities start from the very simple one, flashcard, and then the teacher used TPR, total physical response. We say the animal and show the picture, and the students will follow after us. And then after that, students try to make collaboration between their friends, and they're asking about animals. And in the last, we had a game activity by singing of Old MacDonald Had a Farm. The students should practice and say the animal sounds. For the last is closing activity. It is around 5 minutes. The students share their favorite animal. For example, my favorite animal is butterfly, and etc. And then teacher summarizes key vocabulary and praises participation. The last ends with a short reflective game, like guess the animal or guess the sounds of the animal. Rational learning is interactive, scaffolded, and play-based, encouraging motivation, participation, and language use. Maybe that's all for my explanation. And then the next, will explain by Alina. Time is
Thank you, Intan. For the next is assessment. There is type of assessment, technique, and instrument. The first one is knowledge. The technique is oral question, and the instrument is such, what animal is this? Where does it live? Such like that. And then the second is skills. Using technique like observation or performs, the instrument is like checklist, pronunciation, fluency, and the participation. And then the last one is attitude. Using techniques such as observation, and the instrument is sudden motivation, cooperation, and enjoyment. Rational using formative assessment through observation aligns with young learner, developmental stage, and communicative learning focus. By Pinter 2016 and Harmer 2007. And then assessment rubric. There is criteria, excellent with 4 points, good with 3, fair with 2, and need improvement. The first one, pronunciation. it should be clear, confident. And then how it's good, like clear and few mistakes. How it's fair is like understandable but with errors. Need improvement is hard to understand. Vocabulary is know all animal names, know most names, knows few, and then struggle. Participation is very active, sometimes passive, rarely participates. And then the last one is understanding, classifies correctly, mostly correct, some errors, and the last one is many errors. Maybe it's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Alina, for your great explanation. And then the next will be presented by Julia. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Indan, for the time. I will explain the last material about differentiation. There are type and strategy. For the first, there is content. For the strategy, use visuals, songs, and gestures for comprehension support. For the second, process. For the strategy, pair high and low ability learners for peer scaffolding or Pigeonkin principle. For the last is product. For the strategy, students can respond by naming, pointing, or acting out animals. For durational differentiation ensures inclusivity and accommodates multiple learning styles. By Cameron, 2001, Tomlinson, 2012. For remedial and enrichment activities, remedial, there are 2 points. For the first, review animal vocabulary using simpler flashcards. For the last point, play repetition games to strengthen pronunciation and recall. For enrichment, students, for the first, students draw and label their favorite animal. For the second, present short sentences about my pet or my favorite animal. For the rational task, provide scaffolding and extension opportunities consistent with learner centered pedagogy by Pinter 2017 and Brewster all 2002 from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Julia, for your great explanation. Maybe that's all our presentation. And for the last, our lesson plan is same as usual lesson plan. We use some methods to engage the students participant, and we hope that our explanation will give many benefits for you all. Thank you so much for the time, and thank you for opportunity to give us present this lesson plan. And maybe that's all from us. Once again, thank you so much for your great participation and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh. You're welcome, Intan.